Trustworthy and reputable science has two characteristics. First, the results of the study are measurable. Second, the study can be duplicated later, resulting in similar findings. If a scientist cannot duplicate the results of a previous study, then the original study is debunked. This is where clinical grade comes from. There must be an exceptionally high grade of source material used in reputable medical studies, so other scientists trying to duplicate a study are working apples to apples. Only professional medical researchers have access to this level of clinical grade essential oil. To give you some context, a 5 milliliter bottle of clinical grade peppermint oil costs about $400. Because of Dr. Plant, we've been able to meet or exceed the same level of quality and constituents in our oil as to what is found in clinical grade oils used in reputable medical research. It costs our Mayo about $10.5 million to create this standard, as well as the other essential oil innovations. And we are not $400 a bottle. Our oils are comparable in costs to other essential oils available. Kind of makes you wonder, what have the other guys been doing all this time? We may not be the biggest, but we are certainly the best.